Last time we learned the idiom
過橋抽板.
Actually, we have a similar expression in Cantonese. It is
打完齋唔要和尚. 打完齋唔要和尚.
Its literal meaning is, the monks are dismissed as soon as they have performed the religious rites, and its equivalent English idiom is the danger past and God forgotten. For example,
喺愛迪生講咗嗰句所謂美式笑話之後，特斯拉即刻唔撈。我哋可以話愛迪生係打完齋唔要和尚。喺愛迪生講咗嗰句所謂美式笑話之後，特斯拉即刻唔撈。我哋可以話愛迪生係打完齋唔要和尚。
In English, it means Tesla immediately resigned. After Edison said his so-called American joke, we can say Edison is the danger past and God forgotten. You can see the story of Edison and Tesla at the following website. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.